All right, so you got your old Mcculloch Chainsaw. Found that screaming deal on Marketplace, or you're out there snooping through Grandpa's barn and found his old saw. You went through it and cleaned all the gunk and grime out of there from the last 40 years. Maybe you put some crank seals and a carb kit in it. New chain. Did your bass idle tune. Got that all dialed in. But now where are you setting the high-speed jet? So in the Mcculloch service manual, they recommend a maximum free revving RPM with bar and chain at 10,500 RPM. That is for the Pro Mac 850, Super Pro 80, Super Pro 81, the 125 and 125C. They all have the same 10,500 RPM recommendation. So Mac did a field service study back in the day and found that guys were setting these saws up to run at 11, 12,000 RPM, and they were burning them up. So we'll just double check this guy. It has fresh seals, carb kit in it. We'll double check it and see where it's set at, make sure it's running good. A lot of guys can tune by ear. Experienced guys know what they're doing. They can tune by ear, but there's no harm in double checking with the old Amazon special tack. You can pick one of these up on Amazon for 12, 15 bucks. It's cheap insurance just to double check where you're at. These Mac saws are getting old. Parts are getting hard to find. They're getting expensive. So we wanna do our best to make sure that we can preserve them, make sure they're running good, cutting right, and have fun with them for many more years. So we'll fire this guy up. It's already warmed up. We'll fire it up. We'll check our idle, and then we'll do a max free rev verification, and then we'll make a cut with it. There she is. You're idling at about 2,300 RPM. Max free rev is 10,460. It's cutting nice. Chain's a little hungry, but I'm happy with the way it's cutting and running. So get your old Macs tuned right, keep them alive, throw them up on the shelf, whatever you want to do with them.